G'day guys, I'm Kwackajack, and in this video I'm going to be letting you know how you can score this brand new GoPro Hero 9. Well, we've finally done it. We've reached 10,000 subscribers on the channel. It was my goal for 2021 to get to 10,000 by the end of the year, and we've absolutely smashed it and gotten there with almost half a year to spare. I'll be honest with you guys, when I started this channel I never thought we'd get to this point. And the fact that so many people get value from the videos, follow along and support the channel is just overwhelming for me. You know, I've been doing this for about a year and a half now, and I've been working really hard every video to try and improve my quality and bring you guys as much quality content and value as I can. And you know, whether you've been here for a day or since the beginning, I want to say a huge thank you. You guys are what makes the channel and what keeps me motivated to keep making videos. My next big goal is to get to the point where I can do this full time and hopefully bring you guys more than just one video a week. I'm really passionate about motorcycles. I'm really passionate about making videos, and you know, I hope that I can make this a full-time thing. All right, let's get straight into the giveaway. So what I've got for you guys is a brand new GoPro Hero 9 Black bundle. It comes with a few little extras like a handle, extra battery and SD card, so you guys can get started straight away. Now, the reason that I'm giving away a GoPro instead of something like a helmet or jacket is because I want to give one of you guys the opportunity to record your own rides, and if you choose to, start your own channel. I started recording just with my phone, but things on the channel really started to pick up when I got my GoPro and started recording my rides. So I want to give one of you guys the same opportunity, and I'd love to see what your rides look like. This is going to be an international giveaway, so as long as your country is receiving mail, you can be part of it. So this is how it's going to work. First up, you have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. And second, you have to go find me on Instagram at Kwackajack_ because that's where the giveaway is going to be held. To be part of the giveaway, you have to like and comment on my Instagram posts between the moment that this video goes live to the 22nd of August. I will be drawing and announcing the winner of the giveaway on my birthday, the 23rd of August. There is one entry per Instagram post, and you have to use the hashtag 400club in your comment for it to be entered. So just to reiterate, you have to be subbed to the channel, following me on Instagram at Kwackajack_, and like and comment on all of my Insta posts between now and the 22nd of August with the hashtag 400club in the comment. And there is one entry per post. And that's it. That's all you have to do to get your hands on a free GoPro Hero 9 bundle. If you're watching this before the 22nd of August, you've still got the opportunity to get involved and get your entries in. I'm really excited to give one of you guys the opportunity to start your own channel and record your rides, or just do whatever you want with it. It's yours. This GoPro is actually a newer version than my one. I use the 8. So if you like the look of my footage, imagine how good yours will look with this. I'll also be available via DM to the winner with any questions about how to use the camera, how to set up YouTube, or anything like that. Again, huge thank you to everyone who's joined the channel and all the support you guys give to me on the videos. I really honestly appreciate it. I guess the next big milestone will be 50 or, heaven forbid, 100,000 subscribers. I look forward to getting there with you guys. Now, go find that Instagram page and get your entries in. Till next time, see you soon.